Something is coming to Moosehead. On the morning of July 12th, 2026, boats and their owners began arriving here at Moosehead Lake for our 5th annual Northern Grand Laker and Freighter Canoe Group Rendezvous. It was the beginning of another day devoted to some truly distinctive boats and the people who keep the traditions alive.
Beyond the reach of the paddle lies a different kind of journey. This is Square Stern Adventures, built for the wild, driven by adventure.
Some people came to reconnect with old friends. Others were joining us for the very first time. Before long, boats were being uncovered. Conversations were starting, and people were gathering around to see what everybody had brought. No two boats were exactly alike, but everybody shared the same appreciation for boats built for real water, real work, and real adventure. Every boat at the rendezvous had its own character and its own story to tell. There were different hull designs, motors, interiors, and setups, each one reflecting the experience and individual needs of its owner. Some boats carry years of history. Others feature personal modifications, new ideas, but together they represent a blend of tradition, craftsmanship, practicality, and ingenuity. As much as we enjoy looking at each other's boats, this gathering has always been about the people behind them. It is an opportunity to compare ideas, ask questions, share practical knowledge, and hear the stories that come from every boat. Old friendships are renewed, new friendships begin, and everyone has something valuable to contribute. That sense of community is what makes this rendezvous special. Of course, no outdoor gathering would be complete without the few four-legged members of the crew. They may not have much to say about hull designs or motors, but they were happy to be part of the day. And they certainly added some personality of their own. On shore, these boats invite questions and conversation. But once they reach the water, they show us what they're built to do. Moosehead Lake gave us a beautiful setting to watch them move, hear the motors, and experience the different ways each boat handles the water. This is where these boats truly come alive. For 5 years now, this rendezvous has given our community a place to come together and celebrate a shared interest. But it represents more than just one day at the lake. It's about preserving practical knowledge, appreciating craftsmanship, and sharing Maine's outdoor traditions, while supporting the continued use of these remarkable boats. More importantly, it's about the friendships and connections that grow around them. As the day began to wind down, the boats began leaving Moosehead Lake, but the stories and friendships and ideas went home with their owners. A sincere thank you to everyone who helped make the 5th annual rendezvous possible. Please stay connected with the group on Facebook and follow Square Stern Adventures on YouTube. And until the next rendezvous, stay safe and be well.